Hi everyone, family friends, welcome back to Timmy Beck TV. Today's video, I'll be unboxing what my husband went to get for me. Stay tuned guys and watch to the end. Thanks. The children in school, so I don't know that I went to supermarket lidl, see what he got for me. Where as soon as he dropped the children, he went to buy me this because I've been saying since I want to change my old kettle. So I'll be showing you guys. Wow. Show you this. Wow. Thank you. And I don't know if it's good to be doing secretly just wow, is it? I love it. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. So thank you, Papa. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to remove it all just to save the space. I can just leave it like this. Wow. See it? Okay. When I put water, it will be green color. And when it starts from 51 to 70 degree, it will change to blue. 71 to 80 degree, it will change to purple. Then 81 to 90, it will change to orange. This one is orange or yellow. Leave it in the comment section below. And when it's 90, it will turn red. Oh, nice. See it? When it is 90 now. So it's good. Nice. Thank you. Mm. So, wow. We also got this one for my daughter in college. They have wardrobe before, but you're not sure that nothing, you can't do anything about it. So, if you are new to this channel, guys, consider subscribing, please. Thanks. And if you're a returning G, you are absolutely welcome. You're the best. This one I will show you. I really appreciate you all. To all my subscribers. I spent. This one is good for them. It's good, huh? So now we okay. So this one we put together. So I will now open this much when my darling husband wants to help me. I'll show you guys how it is. So thank you guys. That's it for today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video. Did you see how it now is green? Wow. Did you see this, guys? See blue. Now just switch from ooh, it's not purple. It's now orange. Orange Wow, wow. This is to show that you want to kum 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 tan 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 tan. Oh, you allow it to stop. Wow, did you see it? Nice one. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye.